It is tax season, and many of us have been receiving all of the documents we need to file so far. But for 2020, due to the unprecedented unemployment, there's a form called 1099-G that's also been arriving in more mailboxes than ever before. Focus investigator John Charlton is back at it, explaining why that has delivered so much confusion.
If you collected unemployment in 2020, the IRS requires you, when filing your taxes, to include the total unemployment compensation listed in box number 1 on your 1099-G. But that's where the confusion comes in. Many Kentucky tax filers have reached out to Focus complaining that the figure in box 1 is way too much, that they never received anywhere near that amount of money from unemployment. The Labor Cabinet, however, says many people don't realize that the compensation includes the additional $600 per week folks were getting from the federal government, and later the additional $300 per week from FEMA, which Kentucky added another $100 to. All that money is taxable, and the state and federal tax withheld is included in the total compensation. Despite all that, there are those who say they have done the math correctly, and it still doesn't add up.
As soon as you get that 1099-G, please check it, see if you believe you do have an issue, and reach out via that email.
That email address is kyou1099@ky.gov. The state says it's the first step in trying to correct a 1099-G. However, even if it doesn't look like the issue will be resolved by the tax deadline, which is April 15th, tax planner and CPA Tim Riney of the Family Wealth Group in Louisville recommends get in what you can by then.
Complete your return with what you expect to pay and pay that amount on April 15th. You can always file an extension and clean that up when that extension is due.